What's going on, guys? Back again. I figured I don't know, some of you might have seen on my shelf that I've filmed a couple times in the videos that there's a couple different RCs that I've had on the channel in the past, and I guess it was probably back, I don't know, somewhere a little bit before Christmas. I acquired, I think it was about 3 or 4, I guess 4 different cars that were used. They had sat in a person's basement forever. It was a fellow I used to work with, and I ended up getting those off of him, cleaning them up, and I got them all running. One of those being a 5th scale Redcat Rampage. This is one of the first 5th scales that I've ever had, and this thing is freaking huge. I've always wanted one of these, just never pulled the trigger and got one. But super cool truck. It was missing a few things when I got it, and I basically just got into it, made sure everything was, you know, in running order, and I had to order a body. I didn't have a body with it. I put a new body on it, which I haven't even ran with that new body, and it was missing like weird things. It didn't have a throttle and brake servo. It was missing the wheel nuts, and it was just dirty. So I figured I'd show you guys this, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you all and rip it around here on the driveway. It's been raining around here, and I've got this thing so clean. I really don't want to go rip it across the yard right now, but that's coming. We'll do that. But anyway, let me pull the body off here. Sit this dude down. I've just got it sitting. This is my dirt bike tire changing stand, and it works perfect for a 5th scale stand, so that's what I've been using. But anyway, here it is. I mean, it's pretty dang clean rig. It didn't look this way when I first got it, but it was all grimy, and I just cleaned it all up the best I could and polished the pipe up a little bit. And I mean, man, I'm tickled to death with this thing, and it's, you know, pretty dang fast for what it is, and it's super fun. And I love that, you know, it's an actual gasoline engine. That's super cool. I actually run the same, let's see if I got, yeah, I run the same 2-cycle oil that I run in my KTM, that Motorex. Runs good. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys that, and I'll fire him up and show you guys what it's all about. Like I said, guys, the grass is wet, so I'd really rather not get it completely filthy. Man, this thing's fun. guys, well, that was a quick little run, but past few runs have been pretty quick, but I just basically wanted to get that out and show you guys the fifth scale. And I've also got a monster buggy, an old school Traxxas monster buggy 1/5 that's pretty freaking cool. I don't run it a whole lot, but I did get it running, and I rip it up and down the street a little bit. Parts for that thing, you can't hardly find anything on the internet. If any of you guys have any access to parts availability on those, or know where I can find anything at all, let me know, because I don't want to run it a whole lot, because it's just so hard to find anything. I mean, you can't find nothing. But it does run and it's awesome. So I'll get that out next and show you guys what that's about. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. We'll see you next time.